Hi everyone, welcome back to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. So today we're going to talk about some good topics for travel writers to write about. One good topic would be writing about off the beaten path destinations. You know, most of the famous destinations have been written about, but can you find some unique places that people haven't been to and they would be appreciative of it? Of course, culinary adventures, writing about food, exploring the local cuisine, traditional dishes, street food. Each of these could be its own little niche. So yeah, the dining experiences of different destinations. Adventure travel, of course, is great. Where can you go scuba diving, skydiving, paragliding, parasailing? I don't know, even bungee jumping, would that work? Rock climbing. Eco-friendly and sustainable travel would be another one that is growing and growing in popularity. Can you find some trips for cultural immersion? I was invited to go to Laos and teach and immerse myself in the culture there. Could you write about a topic like that? Of course, historical landmarks are always good to write about. Volunteer and community-based tourism, road trips and scenic drives, wildlife and nature encounters. What else? Art and creative scenes, maybe a film festival or something like that in the area. Wellness and spa destinations are good. Where can you go and enjoy a retreat, enjoy a natural hot springs? How about family-friendly travel? Offer tips and recommendations for the family-oriented vacations, child-family attractions. Budget travel is huge. Where can you travel cheaply? How can you get cheap flights and accommodations and free or very cheap activities? At the other end of the spectrum, luxury travel is great. And travel photography, you can even write about that. I suppose that would be more for writers, but no, for people too, I think. Thank you for watching this video, and click subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.